Hello there, I'm up on my allotment, and last year, well, up until last year, I was using an old Rotavator to dig up the individual beds. Let me show you. So that's the old beast, a Briggs & Stratton Sprint 375. It needs a bit of TLC, but last year I bought an electric one, which is great, except for one point. Now, luckily I've got electric supply when I need it on my allotment, and this is the Rotavator made by Ferrex, bought from Aldi. The handle breaks down into two parts so you can fold it away quite easily, and the model number WWS-BAF1200-W01. It's 1200 watts and the max depth on there 220 mil. Now I think this thing is great, it proper flies, but it's only got one speed. I'll show you what I mean. Turn the switch on, push the safety switch first, pull the trigger. Look at that go. So I was doing that single-handed, obviously, because I'm holding the camera. I would have thought it'd be better with a variable switch on there, just to alter the speed, because it proper flies. I mean, look at that, it just dug a hole. I've already turned this earth over, so yeah, it just flies through it. Now it's great when you're doing the middle, but when you get to the edges, and eventually I'm going to put paths down here, or more paths, you find that the earth sprays everywhere. So I'm tempted, what's your thoughts? Tempted to put a speed control on the cable, but then would it have enough torque to dig in? Don't know. But anyway, yeah, just a short video just to show it, and apart from that, I love it. Little beast. There we go, that literally took me 5 minutes. More beds to do. And that bed just took me 10-15 minutes. Look at that, brown gold. So that's it, thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Cheers.